Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add weather for your site in Blogger, so let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they have is weather. So click sign up for free, sign up with the Facebook or Gmail, or which one you like. And when you have it, click login. Now you're gonna see applications here, and right here weather, and when you got it, create a widget. Now you have option what kind of weather you want to have. You can have like daily forecast or the daily forecast, it's really up to you, or which one you actually like. Now let's choose this one, continue with the template. Just write here location, I will write Slovakia. Appearance, you can change the colors and everything. Click save. After you have it, you need to choose a plan. If you're just starting out with your site, go with the light version, 200 views monthly. But if you're gonna have like a lot of views, I really recommend going with the pro or basic one. These are good. Or go all packs if you like more in L-Site. Let's copy the code here. Now let's click pages, let's edit the home, and let's just add HTML here, save, preview, and look at that, perfect. So this is how you can actually do it, and this is how you can add weather to your site in Blogger. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, goodbye.